And then now I will place a few other details like partition walls and so on. And that, just as you mentioned, now we've worked with default styles, but you can create your own style. I will work with this 30 wide wall. I create this partition wall here, which is actually a load bearing wall. I actually create another wall, which is this one here. Let's say I would like to create something that appears at a certain distance, but if I would like to extend this drawing, I actually forgot something. There is this tool which you can use to add inserts or add-ons to this layout. And actually on my drawing there is a detail which is with a width of 1.8 and the depth of 1 meter. I can change this, and when I say OK, I can place it over the wall. See, now it's important that when you hold your mouse at a point where it is just making no sense to place this shape, because it's not in a wall, then you will see this exclamation mark. Just don't worry, that means that you cannot do that here. But if you move your mouse over the wall, then you can just move it somewhere. And again, here you can use the F5 key to cycle through the top point, the center point and the bottom point, as you can see here. So now I know that this distance is 2.3, I type it and now I have that. Now it's actually a great guideline. I will have a staircase here, so now I can use it to create a partition wall, and I just create it here, and I will also create a partition wall here. And now again I need to cycle through
you need to push it to the other side, and
not to the center,
in the middle,
but to this one. And again I just keep my mouse here a little bit, and then I click here and I move the mouse here, and then either again I type the distance or I just literally graphically draw the walls themselves. Now if I would like to create a few partition walls here, I can either do it like this here, and I'm actually sketching the layout itself, or I can just say that, well, okay, this is something, well, let me just show you something. I forgot to mention that you can also lock the direction. So now I move my mouse to the right hand side, and if I just hold the shift key and then I move the mouse a little bit, see now the direction is locked. It's similar to what you mentioned at the beginning, but this way you don't have to move your mouse first there and then use it. You can just simply hold this down, and then you can just refer to a point that exists somewhere else.
Horizontally and vertically as well.
Yes, that's right. So why I created this so quickly is that I know the distance between these two walls. There is a wall distance from here to here, which is 2.35 on my drawing. So I just click here and I type 2.35.
So what happens here is that you select one wall first, hit Control and select the other wall, and then you are able to get access to this vector where you can add in the distance between the two